Hey guys, so welcome back to the channel, and this is how to delete a Locket Widget app picture. So first thing what you will do is simply go ahead and open up the Locket application into your device. Now guys, here as you can see, we have a history at the middle bottom. So just simply swipe it to the top. As you can see, we will have here our picture. Now on the top, you will have categories, which here you will have everyone. So you could go to the specific person so you could see all of the pictures that you had together, or you could go for you, which is only exclusive for you that you have taken. So guys, in this case, in order for you to delete it, just simply select the share button at the bottom right corner of the screen. And as you can see here on the share button, you will have multiple platforms, and down below you should have two options, which is save and delete. So just simply select delete in order for you to delete this picture, and you will have a warning that this will permanently delete your photo from your history, and your friends will no longer be able to see your photo. Just simply select delete, and there you go. I hope this video helped you understand more, and thanks for watching.